Hey everyone, welcome to my channel English Clothes. Here I'll be your guide as we explore the wonderful world of English. Let's learn together and have fun with language. Here you'll find grammar, vocabulary, phonics, phrasal verbs, idioms and expressions, reading comprehension, and oral comprehension. For English learners, persistence, time, effort, and repetition are invaluable elements in their journey towards mastery. Persistence is the unwavering commitment to improving despite challenges or setbacks. It's the determination to keep going even when faced with difficult grammar rules or confusing vocabulary. Time is the essential ingredient that allows learners to absorb information gradually and deepen their understanding over weeks, months, and years. Effort is the energy and dedication invested in actively practicing listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. It's about pushing oneself beyond comfort zones and embracing the learning progress wholeheartedly. Repetition is the key to reinforcing new knowledge and making it stick. By repeatedly encountering words, phrases, and grammar structures in various contexts, learners solidify their grasp of the language. Together, these elements form a powerful framework for English learners, guiding them towards fluency and confidence in their linguistic abilities. No matter where you are at in your English journey, A1, B2, or even C1, you'll find plenty of awesome stuff here. Dive in and grab hold of the basics to understand how English works. Plus, you'll get loads of handy vocab and phrases for real-life situations. Let's level up together. To all English learners, keep going. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are part of the journey. Surround yourself with English. Practice regularly and believe in your progress. Fluency takes time, but with persistence, you'll get there. Keep learning, keep growing, and never give up.